Since I started taking this course, I really changed my focus from, I have no idea what I'm doing with my life, to, I think teaching is it.
For students, the value is, if they already think they want to be teachers, it's more exposure to the profession than most any of us got until we were 4 years into a degree. For people that don't know what they want to do or just want to grow in their ability to deliver information and work with small children or work with high schoolers, the skill set for good teaching transcends the classroom. They really dig into the profession the first semester, but the second semester they're off-site.
You go to a classroom either on campus at Douglas or one of the elementary middle schools, and you get to choose which one it is, and you do a full-time internship.
They're gaining the ability to see themselves as adults. They have to walk into these classrooms, interact with the teachers as adults that are there to do a job. Also, just the interpersonal skills of working with each other pushes a lot of students outside of their comfort zones, which is so important for every one of us. There's not a risk in the world that doesn't require stepping outside of your comfort zone.
It was probably one of the most memorable experiences from high school I've had. I really loved the internship. You're hands-on with the students. I ran a lot of group work. I got to do one-on-one stuff and just teaching.
There's a unique way that they can relate to younger students that most of us as adults can't relate to them that way. And so I think there's benefit for my students, but there's benefit for students throughout the community.
It's just a really great experience getting to have connections with the kids and build that understanding of what being a teacher looks like versus being a student, and seeing education through a whole new lens.